Mukhang wala na yatang matitira sa aming harvest at kinakain na nila.
Yum!
Is it good?
Yeah! I eat some pea, Mama.
Did you break it?
I almost.
Don't break it.
It's a bit tricky. This one? Maybe let's wait.
Yeah, just harvest
How
the
about
full.
these?
Yeah,
And this.
yeah. When you harvest it, your hand will hold the stem like that.
Yes, it's yummy, right?
Yeah.
And
Oh, Ate knows how to remove the strings. Is it good?
it's yum.
Yum, right? It's crunchy and sweet. Look at this, you break this, oh. Make sure you don't break them. I'll help you harvest.
I'm not going to step in your plants, okay?
Yeah, don't step on the plants.
Mom over here.
Oh, you're stepping on the peas. Oh, no, Mika. Look at this, oh.
Oh, there's one here.
Yeah, just harvest it because I think Mika stepped in it.
And that one.
Yeah.
And there's one more here.
Yeah.
Can I
Oh,
harvest it?
yeah. It's already crawling on the ground. You have to harvest them now.
Get the pea, Mama.
Oh, yeah, there's a pea.
Yes.
You can eat the pea.
Yeah, I'm gonna. I eat the pea, Mama.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's sweet. I'm gonna put this in my lunchbox.
Yeah, on your next school. But tomorrow is already weekend.
On Monday.
On Monday,
Can
yeah.
you please put this in my lunchbox on Monday?
Yeah, I can.
So I could show my classmates and then I build them with the peas.
There's some more in there. Harvest all of those. You see?
Mama, step in your plant, Mama.
Don't step on the plants.
Sorry, plant.
Sorry, plants. Huh?
What? I need fork, Mama.
Ate fart.
Yeah, fork.
Gumapang na yung aking snack peas. Ito ay dwarf snack peas, kaya mababa lang siya.
Not peas.
Yeah, it's dwarf. Oh, you want to get that?
Yes?
Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah.
I can move it up.
Yeah, that's fine.
Now it's not peas here.
Hmm.
We know where this is here everywhere. On top of our house, there's one growing in Dada's pie. We need to harvest it. There's a seedling here.
Yeah. Meron akong tinanim dito na sitaw turo. Ito yung papalit. Yeah, ito yung papalit sa aming snack peas. Look at this, oh, they are full.
You pick those, I pick these. This
Yeah.
one is already dry. Our basket is almost getting full.
Ayan na yung na-harvest namin. Mika is enjoying it. Now we're gonna go to the next one, the broccolini. Go to the broccolini. We're gonna harvest the broccolini now.
Okay, broccoli girl. Actually, let's go.
Let's go to harvest the broccolini.
Okay. Make you fight over there.
Look at the flowers, it's blocking the way. Wait, I have to move this on the other side. There you go.
I think they're getting heavy. Hey!
Oh.
To harvest it.
Here's the broccolini. So ito yung
Will
broccolini.
you eat it raw?
Mas maliit siya compared sa broccoli. So ganito lang talaga siya, yung matured na size niya. At pagkatapos i-harvest ito, magkakaroon siya ng side shoots. So kailangan i-harvest na ito bago siya mag-bloom.
Nag-bloom.
Yeah, okay. Harvest it now. Just break it. No, here. Until here. Break it.
Mean these?
Yeah, yeah. Break it. Yeah. So, i-harvest mo siya mga up to 15 centimeter. Malambot yung ano nito, yung stem niya. Favorite ni Mika na kainin ng raw.
Yum! Me
Is it
too.
good? Or do you like it now? Last time you said it's bitter. Do you like it?
now.
Oh, you like it now? And look at this, oh. Nagpa-flower na yung aming broad beans. First time ko na magtanim nito.
Dito.
So, hindi ko pa to natitikman.
Tikman.
Okay, harvest ko na tong isang dito, broccoli.
Broccoli.
So, ganyan lang yung size ng broccoli. Ito ay cross ng broccoli at saka yung gailan or kailan na tinatawag ding Chinese broccoli. Mukhang wala na yatang matitira sa aming harvest at kinakain na nila. Ayan. Is it good?
Yeah.
Meron pa dito. Ayan. Yung iba hinarvest na namin. Ginawang snacks ng mga bata. Ito maliit pa. Ito ay Brussels sprouts. So hindi ko alam kung hahabol pa ba itong Brussels sprouts namin dahil springtime na. So yan lang ang aming na-harvest ngayon na broccoli.
Flowers are blocking the way.
Yeah, that's okay. I'll just move some of them. Oh, don't trim it because I'm going to collect the seeds later. We'll just put it on the other side. Push it so it doesn't block the way like that. Okay, let's go to the broccoli.
Wherever you are.
Let's go to the broccoli now. Nabubuo na yung mga seed pods.
Seed pods.
So, hinayaan ko lang talaga na mamulaklak to para sa mga bees. Ito yung mga hindi namin na-harvest na mga mix na pechay, may tak choy. At ito yung mga iba pang winter na vegetables namin. Nabubuo na itong cabbage. Papalabas pa lang itong ulo ng aming, I think it's a green cauliflower. Are you getting the nasturtium?
Can we eat it?
Yeah, you can eat it. Don't play it. Ito naman yung purple broccoli. Offsetting broccoli ito. Medyo na late ako na nagtanim. Ngayon pa lang sila nagkakaroon ng ulo. Yung aking asparagus nagsisitubuan. Natutumba na yung yung kanyang stems. Hinahangin. Isingit natin dito sa trellis. At grabe naman itong isa sobrang tangkad. 3 meters na yung kanyang tangkad. Iha-harvest naman namin yung broccoli. Silipin lang natin itong aming beehive kung may mga active pa na bees. Alas 5 na ng hapon dito. Ayan, so pag alas 5 na medyo naglalaylo na sila. Kaya konti na lang yung mga pumapasok. Ito yung mga foragers na nahuling umuwi. I-check natin kung na fully cap ba itong gilid. Nung last time, sinimulan na nila. Malapit na nilang ma-fully cap.
Honey!
Ayan. So, tinatakpan nila ng wax.
Bee.
Yeah. Look at the bees. They're capping the honey cells. Pag nakap na yan, ibig sabihin ready na yung honey dahil na reduce na nila yung moisture content. Kaya yung nectar ay naging honey. Did you open there?
Hey! Honey!
Binuksan ni Mika. Ayan.
Listen to a bee.
So, I think pwede na kaming mag-harvest. Baka pwede itong nasa middle.
There!
You cover it and we will go harvest the
Mama,
broccoli.
look, there's a bee.
That's okay. Okay, let's go to the other garden.
Oh,
Meron ditong tumubo na lettuce. Pwede na siyang i-harvest. Dati kasi may tinanim ako dito. Tapos, hinayaan ko siyang mag-flower. Kaya ito yung tumubo from the flower. So, ganyan yan. Meron na siyang seed pods. Cauliflower yata ito. Hindi namin na-harvest. At ito, purple broccoli sprouting ulit. Okay, let's go.
another bee, Mama.
Yeah, those are the old bees, anak.
I'll go on the other side.
There. Here, Mika, here.
Here?
Ayan, pupunta na kami dito sa garden namin na isa. Ito yung hindi masyadong nabibisita na garden. Tingnan ko kung ready na yung broccoli dito. 5 p.m. So, ito yung magandang time para mag-gardening kasi hindi na masyadong mainit. Ayan, so meron ditong mga tumubo na broccoli, gaya nito. So ito yung galing sa mga nahulog na seeds. Hindi ko tinanim tong mga ito. Namulaklak na pala ito. Ito yung sinabi kong i-harvest namin. Nahuli na yata kami. Itong flower niya na ito, edible pa naman. Kasi natry ko na siya before.
Try to not before.
Harvest natin. So ayan. Para magkaroon siya ng side shoots. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang namulaklak na florets. Pwede pa tong kainin kasi natikman ko na yung dati at okay naman, masarap siya. Yeah, so meron ng dagdag yung aming tatlong broccolini
And snappy.
and snappies. And that's our harvest for today, mga kahalaman. Until next time. Bye! At dito na nagtatapos ang aming harvesting episode. Ngayon ay magdidilig naman ako habang yung mga bata ay naglalaro dito. So, ayan na si Mika, naglalaro siya doon. At si Tiffany naglalaro ng mga sticks. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin. Kinokolekta niya itong sticks. What are you doing with the sticks? Why are you getting those?
Trying to make something.
Okay. Okay, I'll leave you here. I'm going to water the plants now, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Can I see that? What did you do here? Tinusok-tusok nila yung dahon ng aking succulents. What is this?
A kebab.
Kebab. It's a succulent leaves kebab. Don't get any more of the leaves, ah. Baka nakalbo na yung ano, yung plant doon, ha? Tinusok-tusok nila. Ayan. Masaya na yung mga bata, so pwede na akong magdilig. Maganda yung ano, yung weather, hindi na masyado mainit. Papalubog na yung ano, araw. Hello! Enjoy playing!